3, 2, and 1. Certainly this game means so much to so many people, and for Terry Saban, it's somewhat of a homecoming. Terry, thank you so much for your time. So many of the fans here, purple and gold fans, are so excited to see you because you have been such an important person in their lives. What is it like coming back to Baton Rouge and Death Valley?
Well, I think you put it right when you said it's like a homecoming. It really is like a homecoming. Like it or not, and some fans may not like it, we were happy to come back. Last night in our room, we probably had 20 people, 20 friends from LSU who will be cheering for their team, and they should cheer for their team. But still, it was nice to be back with them and hug them and kiss them and remember the good times. But you know, I think that we will have these friends forever and ever and ever, and they go way beyond competition and way beyond football. When we're on the field, we're going to try to beat each other, but after that, we're going to love each other. So it's like a homecoming.
Well, so many folks so happy to see you. We hope you have a great time today. How has this season been for you, coming off a national championship? Sometimes it's hard to maintain that level of intensity.
It's really reminiscent of what we went through here after that championship year. I think the expectations are very high, and you don't have the same team. You don't have the same team. We have a young defense, and they're just now starting to get it. So football is like a cycle. And I think people have to be patient, but it's going to be okay. I love it. I just love it.
And we love you, Terry Saban. Thank you for your time. For LSUsports.net, I'm Jennifer Hale.